Okay students, so now I will start our 4-star problems. That means what about the 4-star you already know by seeing my previous videos. So 4-star problem means you know what is the code of 4-star according to us whenever you see my previous videos. So no problem, I will start my 4-star problems. So students, be careful whenever you are watching this type of videos or this type of problems. Okay, let us see what is the problem. Find the relationship between A and B. That means we have to find the relationship between A and B, the given function. What is the given function? Ax plus 1 whenever x is lesser than or equal to 0. Please remember, lesser than means left hand side, equal to means f of a. Next, bx plus 3, that is x is greater than greater than 3. That is greater than 3. Clear? So this is our LHL, this is our RHL, and again this term is our f of a term. They have given that it is continuous at x equal to 3. That means already the function is continuous. You no need to check it is continuous or not. What they have given? This function is already continuous. I think if you know the definition of continuity, what is the meaning of continuous at x equal to 3? What is the meaning of continuous at x equal to 3 here? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and that is equal to f of a. Clear? Okay. By seeing at this problem, let us solve. What will be your LHL? Your LHL will be limit extending to 3 minus, that means left hand side of 3, that is ax plus 1. Clear? So now this is equal to what? X value is how much? 3. 3a plus 1. Call this as equation 1. Clear? Now let us go for RHL. Limit extending to 3 plus, that is bx plus 3. It will be equal to 3b plus 3. Clear? For right hand side it is 3. For left hand side again it is lesser than 3. So left hand side will be your equation number 2. Please remember, if you solve equation 1 you get left hand side. If you solve equation 2 it is right hand side. And they have given that it is continuous at x equal to 3. So we know that, what we know, if continuous, then LHL is equal to RHL, that is equal to f of a. I will use this LHL equal to RHL, that is 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. Clear? Take 3b on LHL, it will be 3a minus 3b. Take 1 to RHL, it will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. Here 3 is common. 3 times of a minus b equal to 2. So if you simplify this, you are going to get a equal to 2 by 3 plus b. 2 by 3 plus b. So this is your required answer. That is, relationship between A and B is A equal to 2 by 3 plus B. If you solve this much, it is more than enough for complete marks in your board exam. So limit extending to 3 minus ax plus 1 is 3a plus 1, that is your first equation. 3 plus is bx plus 3, 3b plus 3, that is your second equation. From the definition of continuity, let us use this LHL equal to RHL. 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. If you solve this equation, you are going to get a equal to 2 by 3 plus b. That is your required answer. This much if you solve, it is more than enough for this. Clear? Okay students. So now let us go for again second problem. Find k for this f of x is continuous at x equal to 5. So they are given the f of x and you have to calculate the value of k in your f of x is continuous at x equal to 5. Okay. Again LHL, limit extending to 5 minus, what is your f of x for LHL? Kx plus 1. So that is equal to 5k plus 1 is your first equation. Next let us go for RHL, limit extending to 5 plus. For RHL what you are having? 3x minus 5. So that is equal to 3 into 5 minus 5. That means equal to 10. This is your second equation. Clear? We know that from the continuity of definition, LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of a. Use this. LHL is 5k plus 1, RHL is 10. Clear? So k equal to 9 by 5 or 5k equal to 10 minus 1, k equal to 9 by 5. So this much is enough to write in your exams for this. Clear? Okay. Okay students, now let us go for problem number 3. In problem number 3 what they have given? Find k for f of x. Here inequality sign is not given. That means for LHL also k cos x by pi minus 2x. For RHL also k cos x by pi minus 2x. So for that reason we don't waste the time for LHL and RHL. We shall directly go for limit extending to pi by 2 of the given function. That is limit extending to pi by 2 of your function. I am not wasting time here for LHL and RHL because here inequality signs are not given. That means there will be no different functions for LHL and RHL. You see in previous question, for LHL it was different function, for RHL it was different function, so we went for LHL and RHL. Clear? But here for LHL also the same function which you are having for RHL. For that reason let us directly go for limit extending to pi by 2 f of x. So that is limit extending to pi by 2, what is your f of x? K into cos x divided by pi minus 2x. Clear? So it is continuous. It is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. It is already given in the problem, so no problem. Limit extending to pi by 2 f of x, this is your given function. How to simplify this? That is limit extending to pi by 2, k is constant, write it as it is. How can you write cos? Sine of pi by 2 minus x divided by, I will take 2 common from this. If I take 2 common, it will be pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. So you observe this. Limit extending to pi by 2, this term is what? Already we solved in limit of a function also this type of problems. Already we solved in 11th class also. So this will be equal to 1. So your answer will be k by 2 into 1. So that is k by 2. Clear? From again, if after getting k by 2, we know that from the definition of continuity, limit extending to a f of x is equal to f of a. This thing we know. In the previous problem we should write LHL, RHL and f of a. But here we are directly writing limit extending to a, f of x equal to f of a. So what is your this term here? K by 2 equal to f of a. That means at x equal to pi by 2, this is how much? 3. That is what your f of a. Clear? F of a means what? F of pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2, you are having 3. So that is k by 2 equal to 3. This implies k equal to 6. Have you got my point? So limit extending to pi by 2 is k by 2. F of a term is 3 from the given function, that is x equal to pi by 2. So it is 3. So you take 3, k equal to, you are going to have 6. If you get any confusions, here you can write f of a, that is f of pi by 2 equal to 3. Clear? So you take this as 2 and you take this as 1. Here you can write from 1 and 2 also. Clear? So we know that f of limit extending to a, f of x equal to f of a, from 1 and 2, k by 2 equal to 3, therefore k equal to 6. F of a is f of pi by 2. A value is what? Pi by 2. F of pi by 2 is how much? 3. Directly from your problem. So therefore you are having the answer k equal to 6. We solved 3 problems of these 4 stars. Clear? Okay, already you know what is the meaning of 4 star.